Yes. So today we are going to focus about append structure, include structure, searches, and help views. So we will try to target these topics today. Okay. So we covered views so far. Views in the views, projection view, database view, maintenance view, we covered. And in table, TMZ we covered. Additionally, we covered cluster view. Cluster view plays a major role to create configuration tables. So it helps to create configuration matrix. Okay. So if you see anywhere in SAP, so all those configuration matrix are developed by cluster views. So for that purpose, we discussed this in detail in the previous session. Now, so to create a cluster view is collection of tables. It is collection of tables in a hierarchy. In a hierarchy. Okay. So each table should have TMZ. This is the prerequisite. Now, coming to the next topic. So we've seen how to create TMZ. We've seen how to create maintenance. We've seen how to create a cluster view. Cluster view is very important. If you practice this understood very well, you should understand how the configuration is going to work. Okay. Now, coming to the, so we left this help view intentionally for time being. So we will cover this after completion of search help topic. Okay. So first we'll see what is a search help. Let's say you joined recently in an organization. Assume like you joined in an organization recently. Let's say you joined in a college. So they given a software for you or portal for you to understand the offering courses. Okay. So what you will see? You can see a field name courses. Here they have a box like this. This is a fill up, empty fill up. There they have a small button like this. Here, a small button like this. So if you see button like this anywhere in SAP, that is nothing but it is a help value. Help value means there you can get a list of possible courses. If you click on this, let me put one arrow mark. Okay. If you put an arrow mark on this, if you click on this, what you will get is you will get a box, separate pop-up box you will get. So this pop-up box will give you a list of all offering courses. So what it will give you? It will give you the serial number, course ID. Let me, this a pop-up box will come, serial number, course ID, course description. Okay. Now, so here you see, whenever you click on this button, on this additional box, that is nothing but search help. So this concept is called as search help. It is going to give you the list of possible values for that particular field. It gives list of possible values to fill this input column. Clear? Any questions so far?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Now, So how this table will come? Somewhere we need to get this data from the table, correct? So who will bring this data? This data is coming from a table or view. Whatever the view you want to create, that view we are going to use dedicatedly. The view we are going to use is called as help view. So why we are going to design search helps? Search help is nothing but a input possible values. So for this input column, what are the possible values? So these possible values are maintained somewhere in the table, right? So let's say we can get the data from table or view. So table means directly we can get the data from the database. View means which is a logical table. So this is data coming from database, from DB. So let me put database, simply database. So logical table, database. So if you want to fetch this data from the logical table, this table we are going to design using a help view. Clear so far the connection?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Now, now, one second. Hmm. So this process is called as search. Now, what is a search help? So how to design this search help? To design this search help, it is two types. Search help is two types. One is okay. One is elementary search help. Element SH means search help. Elementary search help. Second one is collective search help. Okay, don't confuse with these keywords. So very simple. So in general, elementary search help means the data is coming from one source. So we are calling source means this is source means either it is a table or view, that is called as source. Source means either it is a table or view, help view. Or we have one more is there, that is enhancement function module. For now, ignore that. So table one. So if my data is coming from only one table, we call it as elementary search help. If my data is coming from only a single source, we call it as a elementary search help. The name itself is saying source, the data is coming from one table. Data from one table is called elementary search help. Search. Let's say if my data is coming from two or more sources, means, let me tell you, we have data in table one. So we can get the data from table two. We can get the data from table three. So any one table, you can retrieve the data from any one table. We call it as a collective search. Means, let's say here, this is admin table. This is student table. The source of information is, this is student table. This is library table. So this is library table. So my input field here it is student roll number. So this is my input field. Are you with me so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want to fill the student number. I can fill this student number from any one of the above table. So this is called as collective search. Means I can fill my data. This student number I can fill from either admin table. So in the administration table also, I have my name. Okay. Or I can get the data from student table, or I can get my name from library also. So whenever I click on search button over here, okay, now let me tell you how it is going to work in real time. So what is the use of this? Okay, let's say administration number. So what are the fields we'll have in the admin table? So this is my admin table. So we can design this concept very easily. So no problem. But if you don't know this concept, what it will do means, so there is no use of these views. Okay. So what are the fields we have? Admission number. So if I know the admission number, I can get the student roll number, right? Or mobile number, or PAN number, Aadhaar number. If I have any one of this, I can get your details easily. So mother name, father name. Okay. So I can get your name very easily. Student name. Okay. If I know any one of this value, I can get your name very, very easily. Clear so far? I can fill the student roll number,
Yes, sir.
student roll number. If I know any one of this value, I can fill this student roll number very easily. Let's say coming to the student table. So let's take serial number. If I know your hall ticket number or roll number, whatever it is, say roll number, or here I can enter department. So if I filter with the department, let's say same name having 4 students have same name. Raju, 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 Raju. How can I differentiate? By using department. Okay. If you know the roll number, you can get the student roll number directly. Okay. If I know only department, I don't know your name. Okay. In such case also, I can get your number very, very easily. Or here, what is the additional field we can add? Hmm, student table. Okay. Your SSC school, inter college. So this won't have a student. So this is the information, minimum information we can get from the student table. Let me take the library. So here, library roll number, library admission number. Okay. Here they have department. And what is the additional things we'll have in the admission number? Books taken. So whatever the book you've taken, automatically they will get your name. Okay. So these are all the, if they have all this number, admission number and all, they can get it very easily. So here, student name, student roll number. These are all the fields. in this table, all these fields will have. So here also, student name, student roll number, department. If I know any one of this, I can get your name very, very easily. Clear? Means
Yes.
the source of information, two or more tables. We call it as collective search. So if I know any one of this, I can fill the student roll number very easily from these three sources. Is this clear so far? So the
Clear.
information is available only from one table. We call it as elementary search. So we can fill the same information from multiple sources. We call it as collective search. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Yes. Now, the designing is very, very easy. Very, very simple and very, very easy.
అక్కడ బటన్ నొక్కినప్పుడు మనకి మొత్తం చూపిస్తుంది అన్న అక్కడ రియల్ గా
ఈ
స్టూడెంట్
బటన్
రోల్ నెంబర్ ఉంది కదా.
మొత్తం వస్తుంది. లెట్ మీ షో యూ ప్రాక్టికల్లీ ఇన్ ద సిస్టమ్.
3 టేబుల్స్ వస్తాయనా? 3 టేబుల్స్ చూపించారు కదా, అడ్మిన్,
Yeah,
స్టూడెంట్,
మనం
లైబ్రరీ అట్లా.
we will design that, but I will show you the other process, which is we have already in the standard system. Okay, go to SC11. Now go to student admin table. So not admin table, department table. Go to the CSC table. Click on display. Okay, click on table contents. Now you see admission number, a small button is coming. See here, a small button. Next to box, a small button is coming. Clear? Search box, like a magnificent symbol. Okay.
Yes.
Click on that. You see serial number, admission number. This is coming from one table. So what is the table name? The table name is administration table. The data is coming from admission table. Okay.
Yes.
This is single table. How can I know if it have multiple tables? Now let me tell you one more table, which is a material table. Okay, so these materials I can get from multiple tables. Click on OK button. Here you see these are all the sources: source 1, source 2, source 3, source 4, source 5. Like this, I have almost 26 sources are there, 26 tables in the backend. If you click, the respective columns will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 columns are there, 4 fields. Here I have 10 fields. Everywhere student roll number field will be there. See here roll number, here roll number. Similarly here also, if you see material is common. If you go to another table, click on F4. One minute, it went in a different way. Let me go to another table. KNA, customer master table. So in SAP, most of the tables already created by SAP. You no need to create. But how this table is created and all, for this we should know the basic knowledge. That's why we are covering data dictionary. See here, here we have many sources. Here you see customer. Let me go to another. Here also personal number is nothing but customer number. If I click on OK button, I'll get many customer numbers. If I go to customers by sales group, so see here, all these information is. If I double click, customer code will be copied. Clear?
Yes, not clear.
Okay. Simple. If you go to bank, okay, I forgot my bank account number. How many ways I can retry my bank account number? If I give my full name with the surname and all, I can retry. So what option they have? They have search options from multiple sources like PAN table, separate table, Aadhaar card table, separate table will be there, and the bank account bank details table. So here your full name will be there as one of the field name, or you can give what is the another common thing? PAN card, Aadhaar card, voter card. If you give you voter card at the time of submission, here you see number, name. Here number, name. Here also number, name, account number. So every table have these three fields. So they will create like that internally. Account number, serial number, name, account number. Bank account details. Here also they have name, account number. So if you provide any one of it, if you provide PAN card also, they will get you your Aadhaar card, sorry, your bank account number. If you give you voter card number also, they will get you account number. Clear? So there are many ways to fetch our bank account number. Clear?
Clear.
This is called as help view. So even though you don't know the clear picture of it earlier, now with the minimum information, you can get the exact data, whatever you want using search option. Search help means you are taking the help of system table data. That is nothing but search help. Okay, now let's see quickly how to design this. So theory is fine. Now let me go to search help. Click on search help here. So design GB4. So now I am going to design elementary search help. Student. So I can get the student data from student table. So click on create. See, elementary search help, collective search help. Elementary means data from a single table. Collective means data from multiple sources. So provide the definition over here. Student data. Search help for student data. Now provide selection method is nothing but a table. Jet B4 underscore DB underscore star. Provide star means after this, there may be any value. See here, double boxes. If you click on it, it is asking where I want to search the data. Search in the database tables. Here we have all this. Click on student table. Okay. Now hit the enter button. Now whatever the fields it have, all the fields you can enter over here. Now choose F4. Now you can see serial number. Now again, you can provide name. Now again, you can provide mobile number. So this is import and export. What is this import and export? I'll tell you. So import means on the table, you want to see all these columns information. Export means whenever you select any record, only serial number should be written back to the screen. I'll come to this point shortly. So this is position. Okay, line position. This is selection position. I'll come to these points little later. Activate it for now. Click on local object. That's it. Now test this. Click on execute here. See, if you provide name, you can get the serial number. If you provide mobile number, you can get the serial number. Let's say you don't know any. Click on OK blindly. You will get all the data from the table. See, B. I got number 2 written back. See, export means return the value to the screen. That is nothing but export. But whenever you click on OK button, the data is coming from the database table. Import means get all the data to the screen. Click on OK. Now you see 3 columns data is coming. That is nothing but 1, 2, 3. Import means get the data from the table and display on the screen. Export means after selecting the record, return the value to the screen. Only this one value to be written. Select these also. See what is the difference of it. All 3 values copied back to the screen. Click on execute. Now select anyone. See all 3 values copied back to the screen. So that is the beauty of export. Generally, we do only one in real time. So what is this position? Line position. What is this line position means? Whenever a screen is loading, how the values to be displayed in the table level. Click on execute. Click on OK. Now you see first serial number, then student name, then mobile number is coming. Now reverse this order. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Click on activate it. So you are setting a priority. What column to be visible first? Now you see mobile number is coming first because we set mobile number is the first. Okay, 1 minute. Now you see mobile number is first, name is second, serial number is third. Click on OK. Here you see mobile number first, student number second, serial number last. So this is line position. What is selection position? Selection position means what field to be come on the screen for the first. Means whenever you execute, see here, mobile number will come first, name will come second, serial number will come third in the actual table, not here. This is test environment. Okay, I'll show you this in a minute. Activate it. This is called as search help. You designed the search help and attach this to the field. Take a copy of this search help. Go back to the table. So we created one table. Student table. Click on change button. Here, see here, select this. Click on search help. Provide the search help name which we created just now. Click on OK. Now you see all 3 columns are coming. Click on copy. Activate it. Okay, if you face such kind of issue, go to database utility, activate and adjust the database table. Perfect. Now you see activated. Go to the table. Now you see F4 value is coming. Earlier we don't have this option. Click on now. Now you are getting 3 values. Let's say you want to provide some filters. Click on this arrow mark. Now you see mobile number is coming first, student number coming second, serial number coming third. So how come it is possible? The selection position you changed here. Let me put this is second, this is first, this is third. So serial number should come in the second, name should come first. Okay. So if this want to be impact, come back, again, go to the table, click on display, table contents. Now click on F4. Click on this search option. Now you see student name is coming first because we set the selection position, student number should come first, serial number, mobile number. This is just a cosmetic changes. So no one will ask in real time, but it will give you additional advantage if you know this. Clear? Any questions so far?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Now let's say business wants the college team wants, they want to display the data from admin table also. This is student table. Now I want to display one more table option, admin table also. So let's see how we are going to achieve that requirement. Now go to the collective searcher. Choose the searcher. CSH. CSH means collective searcher. Click on create. Click on radio button collective searcher. Okay. If you want to work with collective searcher, first it should be a elementary searcher. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of this means? For each and every table, you should first create elementary searcher. Then only collective searcher can be created. ADMIL. Click on create. Create. Okay. Student data search. Provide admin table over here. Okay. So select all the fields. If you know the admission number also, you can get the student number. You have name. Okay. So I'm not going into detail now again. I want to return the serial number. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Activate it. Now activate it, execute it. Click on OK button. Check. Are we getting data? Yes, we are getting the data. Now come back. So we created student searcher, elementary searcher, and admin searcher. Now I want to design collective searcher for students. Click on create. Click on collective searcher. Now provide individually student data from two sources. That is student table, admin table. Okay, go to include elementary searcher here. First provide elementary searcher. So if you know any one of it, you can get the data. Go to the definition, provide what value we want to search. Provide the data domain name over there. That's it. Click on activate it. Now execute this. Simple. So I want to search serial number commonly in these two elementary searchers. Click on execute. Now you are seeing serial number is one of the input field. Click on F4. Just a minute. We need to generate some proposal. 1 minute. Click on change. Go to include searcher. Select this. Click on parameter assignment. Because internally it will assign the serial number. We missed this mapping. Now select this. Here also we need to map the serial number. Click on yes. See serial number. Means in both tables, we want to return serial number back. So that's why we are assigning the parameter assignment. Otherwise, how this value will be filled? For that reason, after pasting elementary searcher, you must assign the what value to be returned back to the screen. Click on execute. Now click on F4. Now you see two tables are coming. See, this is table 2, this is table 1. So in table 1, what is the data? Mobile number, student name, and serial number. In another table, the data is okay. Serial number, admission number, student address. Clear? What is
Yes, ma'am.
collective search? Elementary search help means you won't get many tabs, only one tab. So you don't see the tab also. If you have tabs means that is designed in collective search help. See, if you click on the last arrow, here you can see two options. So two or more means collective search help. If you don't see two or more, that is elementary search help. If you select any one of it, serial number will be returned back to the screen. See, serial number is returned back 3. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. You can assign this in the search help. Whatever we designed earlier, there you can assign. Instead of elementary search help, you can assign collective search help. 1 minute. It seems system stuck. Conceptually clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. It's stuck. It went into loop. 1 minute. Just a moment. Okay, no problem. We'll continue tomorrow for the rest of topics. It seems
Oh, okay.
system stuck.
Okay, now.
Any
Tomorrow.
questions, any doubts so far?
No, he say, I'll practice in server and get tired or something. Tomorrow I'll ask you.
Oh, okay, sure. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Oh, okay, thank you. Bye.